Alright friends, so I decided to make a video on this little button here, the hill descent, because I was looking on YouTube and there are no videos on it. So this is a 2018 JK Rubicon. I don't think that really matters. As long as you have a JK, it should look pretty similar. Or a JL is going to look a lot different because it's mostly digital, but it'll still look, you know, you'll get the concept. So anyway, so what you want to do is you want to put, excuse my trash right there, I just threw it all in there because I was eating breakfast. Put it in the neutral, right? You can go in a, you want to be in fourth. Let me just move a little bit. There you go. Let me let it roll. Which is another trick, by the way. If you can't engage your four-wheel drive when you're trying to, just move up a little bit and let the gears mesh, and then you can, you know, put it in four-wheel drive like that. Much easier. No crunching, none of that. But all right, so you want to put it in neutral, four-wheel low, right? And then put it back in drive. So you push the hill descent button. I don't see, oh yeah, there it is. I was gonna say, I don't think there is a button or like anything that shows you where it's at, but there it is right there. From what I understand, it's gonna do about 6 miles or a half a mile to a mile, mile and a half per hour in increments. So right there itself is gonna move. It's going about, looks like it's going like 2 miles an hour, okay? So let me pop it in reverse real quick. Put it in reverse. I'm gonna back it up a like tiny bit. It's still on hill descent at 4 miles per hour or whatever it is. 2 miles per hour. So here's a little trick. Ready? So you have the ability to control how fast or how slow you want to go on hill descent. So we're gonna put it back in drive. You see right there, there it is. There's a guy in a Bronco. So you're gonna put it back in drive, and then what you're gonna do is, as you start rolling, you go back, you go into the manual shifting, and what it does is it's gonna drop it to about 1 mile per hour or half a mile per hour, something like that. And then that's in, you can see right there, 1, and then I can switch it to 2 with the manual shifter, right? I just pushed it this way, so now we're in 2. You can see 2 right there, and it starts to go faster. And I believe you can do 3. Yeah, there's 3. So you're gonna go in those increments of like potentially, what is it, like half a mile per hour. So let me just pop it back into reverse. You can see it, that little 2 is gone and the 1 and all that stuff. So we're gonna go back in reverse, right? Hill descent backwards. But yeah, anyway, hope this guy helps you guys. If it does, comment below, you know, saying thank you, and then hit the like button, because I know there's not a lot of videos on this. Actually, I never found a video on it. So anyway, all right, we're gonna go back into drive. See, it's on 3 right now. I'm gonna shift it down. 1, 2. Now we're in 1, and now it's going about a half a mile per hour. Real quickly too, one thing I forgot to tell you guys is that when you are on hill descent, the ABS system starts to work. So if you're sliding, like when you're going downhill and you're on that hill descent, and it starts to go faster than that 1 or half a mile per hour, 1 mile per hour, whatever you set it at, and the tires it'll start to brake, and it'll be the pulsating braking. So it's going to prevent you from sliding out super badly. And it feels really weird, really scary, kind of trippy. Like obviously it's the system doing it, so it's kind of weird and sketchy feeling. But you'll feel the tires go boom, 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 boom. And it's basically preventing you from just sliding out. Something that we as humans, probably can't do very well, because, you know, it's a fast pulsation, and, you know, what we do over here is try to pump the brakes, and it's not the same. So, all right, you guys, hopefully this helps. You guys take care, comment, follow me on Instagram too. It's AWDFAM, All Wheel Drive Fam. See you guys soon on the trails, hopefully.